All right. So a while ago, I made a video, and it was on dice rolling. It was like 2 years ago. I think it's time for an update because I'm not using that dice roll no more. I'm using a different one. It looks like this. It's on a button. You push it. When it's on a hotkey, you press it, rolls a dice. It's very easy. Different dices. I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first. The default website for this is dice.bee.ac. Basically, it comes up to a page that looks like this. Now, there's a couple different ways you can use this page. You can just type in what dice you want to roll. 1d20. You hit throw. It throws that. You can also click and drag on the screen, and it throws it in the direction that you grab the screen. Now, this is very customizable. You refresh the screen, it goes right back to the beginning. You can even click on the dice, like 5d6, d8, and a d10. Throw. It throws that, calculates it up for you, shows it on the screen. I don't need this much for what I do. I just use a d20, so we're just going to kind of go through how you can do that. By doing that, I use this formula up here. He has it in his website as well. You can look there. It's very easy to understand, well written. But basically, it's the website, right? And then slash, question mark, the dice hex equals. Now this is going to be the color of the dice itself, which I chose green here. Next, it's going to be the label, and that is the color of the numbers on the dice. The next one is going to be chroma hex, and that is going to be the color of the background that you're going to want to chroma key out. After that, it's the dice that you want to roll. So for me, I just want 1d20, so the dice equals 1d20. And then the roll and no result means that it's not going to put the number in the center of the screen, because I don't need that either. This is very simple for what I use it for. It's by a dude named Andy Lawton, and he provides it for free for people. There's no ads, nothing like that. It's really great. There's a link down below to his website. To create this in OBS, it's very simple. Get out of the way here. In OBS, source lists on whatever scene you want to do. I'd highly recommend using a nested scene for this if you're going to use it on multiple scenes. But what you're going to do, start a new scene, or new source. Sorry, go to browser. You can name it Dice27. Sure. The URL is going to be that custom URL that we made earlier. The width and height are going to be basically your OBS scene size, like the entire canvas. So mine is set to 1920 by 1080. You can make this smaller if you want. The dice will stay within those confines. And hit OK. I have it hidden right now because it's just a big red screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to filter. See the red screen right there. We're going to do new filter. Do chroma key. From there, we're going to leave it default name. And you could usually pick a color. I like to go to custom, select color. I like to pick the screen color and then click on the color I want to chroma key out. See that it's going to be the red one. Hit OK. Now, if we show this, see how nothing's happening. Now that is because we need to do one more step within this source. So if you right click, go to properties. You scroll down, you'll see where it says shut down source when not visible. When you do that, that means that when you hide the source, it basically counts it as not existing, and re-show it, it'll refresh the page. Hit that, hit OK. You can see that the dice shows up now. So all we have to do now is set that to a hotkey, and you have a single button, push to hide, push to show, and you're good to go. So now you can see that I hide it, show it manually. It rolls the dice. That's fine. If I hide it again, OBS thinks it doesn't exist. Show it again. It rolls again. So we can set this to a hotkey, and that'll be that. To do that, you go to Settings in OBS. You're going to go to Hotkeys. In Hotkeys, you can search for it. Dice27 shows right here. I'm going to set it to P for showing, and P, hide, apply. Okay. Now when I hit P, gonna hide it. Hit P, gonna show it. That's how you get Hotkey. Dice. Pretty simple. You can do this for a lot of things. You can do it for D&D games. You can do it for making decisions on stream. It's you know, dice can be used for so many different things. There's so many different creative ways to do it. But if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to come visit me on stream, you know where I'll be. Just got to come see me. Sometimes if you come to stream, ask me, we'll even do it on stream. You could just say like, hey, how do I do this? And yeah.